Hello everyone. In this video I will be continuing with the remaining problems from the topic integration using trigonometric identities. All are requested to try to solve the problems yourself before seeing the solutions which are given here. So the first question is integral of cos x divided by 1 plus cos x. So now let us rewrite this one, cos x divided by 1 plus cos x, so that we can write it as 1 plus add and subtract 1 from the numerator. So this can be written as, so now this can be written as 1 minus 1 by 1 plus cos x. So that is 1 minus 1 by 1 plus cos x can be written as 2 cos square x by 2. Using the cos 2x formula, 1 plus cos x can be written as 2 cos square x by 2. So that means this will become 1 minus 1 by 2 secant square x by 2. So the given expression cos x by 1 plus cos x, we have simplified it into 1 minus half secant square x by 2. So now let us integrate that cos x by 1 plus cos x dx. So it will become integral 1 minus half secant square x by 2 dx. So when we integrate this, it will become 1 dx, the integral will become x minus half the integral of secant square x by 2, that is tan x by 2 divided by the differential of x by 2, that is 1 by 2 plus c. So this 1 by 2 and 1 by 2 will get cancelled. So the answer is x minus tan x by 2 plus c. So this is the integral of this cos x divided by 1 plus cos x. Now to the next problem, that is the 8th question. Cos x minus sin x divided by 1 plus sin 2x. So again let us simplify the given expression using trigonometric identities. So 1 plus sin 2x. So now this can be written as cos x minus sin x. The denominator I will write it as 1, I will write it as cos square x plus sin square x. Then sin 2x I will write it as 2 sin x cos x. So numerator as it is cos x minus sin x. Then denominator, if you observe, this is of the form a square plus b square plus 2ab, which can be written as a plus b the whole square. So that is nothing but cos x plus sin x the whole square. So the given expression we have rewritten as cos x minus sin x divided by cos x plus sin x. Now let us do the integration here. So cos x minus sin x divided by 1 plus sin 2x dx. So that will be cos x minus sin x divided by cos x plus sin x the whole square dx. Now this can be integrated by putting the denominator as t, that is cos x plus sin x equal to sin x is equals to t. So that means the derivative minus sin x plus cos x dx will become dt. So that means this will become dt by t square. So the integral is t to the power minus 2 plus 1 divided by minus 2 plus 1 is nothing but minus 1 by t plus c. So that means it will become minus 1 by t is cos x plus sin x. So the integral of the given expression, that is cos x minus sin x divided by 1 plus sin 2x is nothing but minus 1 by cos x plus sin x. Now again to the ninth one, cos 2x minus cos 2 alpha divided by cos x minus cos alpha. So again let us simplify the given expression, cos 2x minus cos 2 alpha divided by cos x minus cos alpha. So cos 2x, we will write it as cos square x minus sin square x. Yeah, sorry, instead of this, we can write it as 2 cos square x because there are different formulas for cos. So to cos 2x, you can write it as 2 cos square x minus 1, and similarly cos 2 alpha as 2 cos square alpha minus 1 divided by cos x minus cos alpha. So here we will get it directly instead of writing cos square x minus sin square x. If you write 2 cos square x minus 1, you will get, so here the numerator we will get it as this minus 1 plus 1, that will get cancelled. So it will become 2 cos square x minus cos square alpha divided by cos x minus cos alpha, cos x minus cos alpha. So that will become numerator, let us factorize a square minus b square form, 2 cos x minus cos alpha cos x plus cos alpha. So divided by cos x minus cos alpha. So this will get cancelled. So that means it will become 2 cos x plus cos alpha. So now let us integrate that. Integral cos 2x minus cos 2 alpha by cos x minus cos alpha dx, that we simplified it to be 2 will take outside, cos x plus cos alpha dx. So now here 2 into integral of cos x. Integral of cos x is sin x. Then 2 into cos alpha is also independent of x. So the integral will be 2 cos alpha, that will come outside, 1 dx. 1 dx, the integral will become x plus c. So the answer will be 2 sin x plus 2x cos alpha plus c. So this will be the answer. So integral of cos 2x minus cos 2 alpha by cos x minus cos alpha is nothing but 2 sin x plus 2x cos alpha plus c. Now let us do the next problem. Sin cube x plus cos cube x divided by sin square x into cos square x. So now let us simplify this one. Sin cube x So this will come as, sorry, sine square x into cos square x. So just you have to separate the two terms. So this will come as sine cube x divided by sine square x cos square x plus cos cube x sine square x cos square x. So now here sine cube x, so one sine will get cancelled. So it will become sine x by cos square x. Then similarly one cos will get cancelled. So cos x by sine square x, cos x divided by sine square x. Now sine x by cos square x can be written as sine x by cos x into 1 by cos x. So that is nothing but tan x into secant x. Similarly, cos by sine is cot. So cot x into 1 by sine is cosecant x. So now let us integrate this. So sine cube x plus cos cube x divided by sine square x cos square x dx. So it's nothing but integral of tan x secant x plus cot x cosecant x dx. So let us integrate term by term. So tan x secant x dx, that will be the integral of secant x. Then cot x cosecant x, that will be the integral of minus cosecant x. So the answer is secant x minus cosecant x divided by minus cosecant x plus c. Now let us move to the next problem. Integral cos 2x plus 2 sine square x divided by cos square x. So again let us simplify the given expression using trigonometric identities. So it is cos 2x plus 2 sine square x divided by cos square x. So now cos 2x can be written as 1 minus 2 sine square x, then plus this 2 sine square x divided by cos square x. So this minus 2, this 2 will get cancelled. So it will become 1 by cos square x. So that is equal to secant square x. So that means integral cos 2x plus 2 sine square x divided by cos square x dx is equal to integral secant square x dx. Now secant square x integral is tan x. So the answer is tan x plus c. So the integral of cos 2x plus 2 sine square x by cos square x is equal to tan x plus c. Now we'll move to the next one. 1 by sine x cos cube x. So let us write this as 1 by sine x cos cube x. Now let us multiply and divide with cos x. So it will become sine x by cos x into cos to the power 4x. So that will become 1 by tan x to cos to the power 4x. Now 1 by cos to the power 4x is nothing but secant to the power 4x divided by tan x. Now secant to the power 4x can be written as secant square x into secant square x divided by tan x. So one of the secant square x can be written as 1 plus tan square x into secant square x divided by tan x. So now this can be written as 1 by tan x plus tan x into secant square x. So now this is the expression. So now you can integrate this. Integral 1 by sin x cos cube x dx is nothing but integral 1 by tan x plus tan x into secant square x dx. So this can be integrated by putting tan x as t. So tan x as t means secant square x dx will become dt. So this will become 1 by t plus t dt. So now term by term if we integrate it will become log t plus t square by 2. So that means it will become log tan x, t is tan x, plus 1 by 2 tan square x plus c. So this will be the answer, log of mod tan x plus 1 by 2 tan square x plus c. That is the integral of 1 by sin x into cos cube x. Now to the next problem. Integral 1 by under root sin cube x into cos cube x. So again let us simplify this one. 1 by under root sin cube x into cos cube x, cos x, sorry. So that is similar to the previous problem only. So integral 1 by sin cube x here we'll divide, multiply and divide with sine. So it will become sine to the power 4x into cos by sine x. So that means now this under root sine to the power 4, when it is coming outside the root, it will become 1 by sine square x. Then cos by sine is cot, under root cot x. So 1 by sine square x is nothing but cosecant square x divided by under root cot x. So the expression will reduce to 1 by under root sine cube x into cos x. So let us do the integration. So instead of integrating, the same is equal to cosecant square x by under root cot x. So if you see that this is simple substitution, cot x is equals to t. So cosecant x dx will become, cosecant square x dx will become minus dt. So it will become minus dt divided by root t. So now if you integrate this, it will become minus, will be outside, 2 root t plus c. So now t is cot, it will become minus 2 root cot x plus c. So integral of this will be integral of 1 by under root sin cube x cos x dx will be minus 2 under root cot x. Now to the next problem. Integral 1 by under root sin cube x into sin x plus alpha. So let us simplify this expression, then we'll put inside the root. So sine cube x, sine x plus alpha, so that is sine cube x, sine x plus alpha will be sine x cos alpha plus cos x sine alpha. So now suppose the sine is taken outside, so it will become sine to the power 4x, then cos alpha. So here it will become cos x by sin x because sine is taken outside. So it will become cot x into sine alpha. So the expression here is integral 1 by under root sine cube x into sine x plus alpha dx. So it's equal to integral 1 by under root sine to the power 4x cos alpha plus cot x sine alpha. Similar to the previous problem, this will become 1 by sine square x under root cos alpha plus cot x sine alpha. So now again 1 by sine square x is cosecant square x under root cos alpha plus cot x sine alpha dx. Now to integrate this, again we will put cos x cos alpha plus cot x sine alpha equal to t. So if you differentiate this, cos alpha independent of x, derivative 0, so it will become minus cosecant square x sine alpha dx equal to dt. So that means cosecant square x dx, which is there in the integrand, so we'll take the remaining to the right hand side, so it will become minus 1 by sine alpha dt. So that means this will become integral minus 1 by sine alpha dt divided by root t. So that means it is minus 1 by sine alpha independent of t, then dt by root t. So 1 by root t, so the integral will be minus 1 by sine alpha 2 root t plus c. So now we can do the substitution for t. So it will become minus 2 by sine alpha under root cos alpha plus cot x sine alpha plus c. So this will be the answer, that is minus 2 by sine alpha under root cos alpha plus cot x sine alpha. Now let us solve the next problem. Integral sine to the power 8x minus cos to the power 8x divided by 1 minus 2 sine square x cos square x. So again let us simplify this expression. So sine to the power 8x minus 2 sine square x cos square x. So if the numerator is factorized using a square minus b square, so it will become sine to the power 4x minus cos to the power 4x into sine power 4x plus cos power 4x, a square minus b square, a minus b into a plus b. And denominator can be written as 1 can be written as sine square x plus cos square x. The square of sine square x plus cos square x is 1. So the square of that also is 1. Then minus 2 sine square x cos square x. So now if you expand, the numerator is as it is, sine to the power 4x minus cos to the power 4x, then sine power 4x plus cos power 4x divided by, now if we expand this, it will become sine power 4x plus cos power 4x, then plus 2 sine square x cos square x, that is expanding a sine square x plus cos square x whole square. Then this term minus 2 sine square x cos square x. So now if you see that this will get cancelled, so it will become sine power 4x minus cos power 4x into sine power 4x plus cos power 4x whole divided by sine power 4x plus cos power 4x. So now this also will get cancelled. So it will remain sine power 4x minus cos power 4x. So this, because this will get cancelled, sine power 4x plus cos to the power 4x divided by that, same thing is there. Now again if you factorize this, it will become sine square x minus cos square x into sine square x plus cos square x. So this will become 1. So it is equal to sine square x minus sine square x minus cos square x. So now this can be written as minus of cos square x minus sine square x. That is nothing but minus cos 2x. Cos square x minus sine square x is cos 2x. So it is minus of that. So it's equal to minus cos 2x. So now you can integrate this. So integral sine power 8x minus dx, the same thing, only we simplified it to be integral cos 2x, which minus cos 2x, minus is taken outside. So minus cos 2x integral is sine 2x divided by 2 plus c. So this will be the answer. So the integral of sine to the power 8x minus cos to the power 8x divided by 1 minus 2 sine square x cos square x is equal to minus sine 2x divided by 2. Now to the next problem, integral sine x divided by sine of x minus alpha dx. Now let us simplify this one before integrating. So sine x divided by sine x minus alpha. Now let us write the numerator in terms of the denominator, that is sine x. Let us write it as x minus alpha plus alpha divided by sine x minus alpha. So here the numerator is sine a minus b form. So that can be simplified as sine x minus alpha cos alpha plus cos x minus alpha sin alpha. So that is sin a plus b formula, sin a cos b plus cos a sin b divided by sin of x minus alpha. So here if you take term by term, sin x to the first term, sin x minus alpha will get cancelled. It will become cos alpha. Then second is cos x minus alpha by sin x minus alpha. That will be equal to cot x minus alpha into sin alpha. So this is the simplified form. Now we can integrate this. Integral sin x divided by sin x minus alpha dx equal to integral cos alpha plus cot x minus alpha into sin alpha dx. So let us take the cos alpha independent of x, so it will come outside. It's cos alpha into x, so that can be written as x cos alpha. Similarly, sin alpha will come out. Now integral of cot is log modulus of sin x. So sin x minus alpha is here plus c. So this will be the answer. So in cos alpha is taken outside. Integral dx is x plus sin alpha taken outside. Integral of cot is log of mod sin x minus alpha. Now to the last problem. Integral 1 by cos x minus a into cos x minus b. So let us simplify this expression first. So 1 by cos x minus a to cos x minus b. Now for simplifying this, let us multiply and divide with sin a minus b. So sin a minus b is multiplied So we have multiplied and divided sin a minus b. Now here 1 by sin a minus b. So now the sin a minus b in the numerator can be written as x minus b sin of x minus b minus of x minus a sin of x minus b minus of x minus a, because if you see that x and x will get cancelled, so it will come as sin a minus b only. So cos x minus a cos x minus b, that is the denominator. So now this will become 1 by sin a minus b. Now the numerator is of the form sin a minus b, sin of a minus b. So that can be written as sin x minus b cos x minus a minus cos x minus b sin x minus a whole divided by cos x minus a cos x minus b. So here this is the reason why we are multiplying and dividing with sine a minus b. Now the numerator we got in terms of both sine and cos. So now we can, if you take term by term, cos x minus a will get cancelled here. Similarly here, cos x minus b and cos x minus b will get cancelled. So that means this will become 1 by sine a minus b. So the first term is sine x minus b cos x minus a divided by cos x minus a cos x minus b. So this is the first term. So here cos x minus a will get cancelled. Then cos x minus b sin x minus a divided by cos x minus a cos x minus b. So from the second term, cos and cos will get cancelled. So here if you see that once the cos get cancelled, the term will become 1 by sine a minus b. So here cos and cos will get cancelled. So sine x minus b by cos x minus b. So that is nothing but tan x minus b. Then minus, similarly cos and cos will get cancelled. It will become tan x minus a. So the expression is simplified in terms of tan. So now we can integrate this. So integral 1 by cos x minus a to cos x minus b dx. This is nothing but 1 by sine a minus b is independent of x. So it will come out tan x minus b minus tan x minus a dx. So that means it will become 1 by sine a minus b. Now integral of tan is minus log cos x minus b minus, then tan integral minus log cos x minus b, sorry, x minus a plus c. So that can be written as 1 by sine a minus b. So this is minus of minus, so it will become log cos x minus a, then minus log cos x minus, so log a minus log b, so that can be written as log a by log b, log a by b, so plus c. So the answer is 1 by sine a minus b log of mod cos x minus a by cos x minus b. So that is the integral of 1 by cos x minus a cos x minus b. That's all for the problems based on integration using trigonometric identities. Thank you for listening.